Hello everyone, and welcome to our SpinetiX booth at ISE in Barcelona. This year at the show we are presenting plenty of innovations on all the components of our complete digital signage solution, especially within our award-winning CMS, SpinetiX ARYA. We now indeed support video wall applications, and we make it easy and accessible to anyone directly out of SpinetiX ARYA. We have indeed developed an intuitive wizard to guide users all along the steps of design and setup of a video project. We have indeed predefined screen configuration where you can select the number of display, the screen resolution, screen orientation, can even customize the screen diagonal as well as the horizontal and vertical bezels, and all that in a very simple way. But in addition of the video wall applications, we also present a great collaboration with Q-SYS. We have indeed developed a certified Q-SYS plugin which makes easy and accessible the setup and the management of programmatic content directly out of SpinetiX ARYA with connected Q-SYS compatible sensors and devices. Thanks to this collaboration with Q-SYS, SpinetiX ARYA is now the first CMS integrated in the Q-SYS platform. And this opens new opportunities for a vast amount of applications in content automation, such as alert management. Let's take an example. A digital signage content at a hotel that will automatically update to a warning message thanks to a wind speed sensor detecting strong winds. And that's only one example among many others. So, discover all those innovations on our booth in all 5, booth number 5E500, or directly on our website at spinetix.com.